Have you ever wondered how some individuals effortlessly manifest their desires? How they seem to attract success, abundance, and happiness into their lives? Well, today is your lucky day because we're about to unlock the secrets of visualization and show you how it can change your life. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of personal growth and manifestation. I'm thrilled to have you here because today we have something truly transformative to share. In this video, we will explore the power of visualization and discover how it can become a key tool in achieving your goals. We'll peel back the layers of the subconscious mind and delve into the fascinating connection between visualization, goal setting, and the law of attraction. But that's not all. We've curated a collection of powerful visualization techniques that have helped countless individuals manifest their desired outcomes. From visualization exercises to guided meditations, we have the tools you need to make your dreams a reality. And here's the best part. By subscribing to our channel and turning on notifications, you'll gain exclusive access to the latest information and teachings of various manifestation gurus across the globe as we continue to guide you on your manifestation journey. If you're ready to tap into the power of visualization, unlock your potential, and manifest your dreams, then this video is a must-watch for you. Get ready for a life-changing experience. Let's begin this incredible journey together. Visualization is a powerful tool that can unlock the potential of your subconscious mind. It is a process where we create an image in our minds of what we desire and manifest it into reality. According to Joseph Murphy, author of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, what we impress on our subconscious mind will manifest in our experiences and events. An example of how visualization works is seen through renowned sculptor Michelangelo's work. He saw an angel in a block of marble and carved it out, releasing it from within himself. This shows that our minds cannot distinguish between imagination and reality when it comes to visualizations. If you imagine something with emotion, your subconscious will produce the same feelings as if that thing was actually real in your life experience. Our brains are composed of two parts, the conscious and subconscious. The conscious part generates ideas, while the subconscious carries out actionable steps to realize those goals or desires. Repetition of imagined scenes impresses upon the subconscious mind, which then creates circumstances favorable for achieving desired outcomes associated with those images. These resources may be physical or circumstantial changes, such as surprise phone calls from old friends, inviting us somewhere we have previously only imagined going. Visualization can lead us down paths that give rise to opportunities, enabling the realization of personal dreams in career, relationships, or health goals. This power technique, combined with Joseph Murphy's teachings, allows you to attract anything you want into your life by imagining yourself already possessing it. So try visualization today and unlock its power for a more successful tomorrow. According to pharmaceutical scientist and author Dr. David Hamilton, the subconscious mind cannot differentiate between imagination and reality. It acts on thoughts sent by the conscious mind as if they are real. As such, what we think and believe will be acted upon by our subconscious, leading us to experiences in accordance with our beliefs. The power of our thoughts and feelings can affect our well-being. Harnessing its potential through visualization techniques has been suggested by many experts, including Dr. Hamilton. Visualization involves using your imagination to create an image or movie in your mind of what you want to manifest into reality. This could be anything from a relationship goal or career success to physical health or spiritual growth. It is believed that when we use visualization techniques, we are able to tap into the power of intention more effectively because it helps activate both hemispheres of the brain, something that is not possible through normal thinking alone. To further illustrate this concept, an experiment conducted at Harvard University revealed that even just visualizing a 5-finger piano note combination produced physical changes in brain scans. This was similar to those of people practicing the same technique physically for 2 hours per day over 5 consecutive days. This experiment shows how powerful visualization truly is, as it demonstrates that even without taking any action, we can still achieve results simply by imagining them first. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting desired circumstances in life. Our brains can differentiate between real and imagined scenarios, so when we visualize what we want to achieve, it helps us bring it into existence. Meditating on desired conditions or writing affirmations expressing our life goals prepares our minds for success. Joseph Murphy's technique of creating a mental movie focused on our desires is highly effective in visualizing the reality that comes with achieving our goals. By emphasizing the emotions associated with our desires and imagining ourselves already having achieved them, we have power over the outcomes. He stated that any picture held in the mind backed by faith will become a reality. This further supports the idea of practicing visualization techniques daily, such as meditation, writing affirmations, and creating mental movies. The amount of time spent depends on the depth of our emotions and beliefs regarding our goals. Engaging all 5 senses when practicing visualization methods, including sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch, strengthens the images and brings about desired consequences more quickly. This can be done through self-development activities like manifestation coaching systems. Fundamentally, we must always believe first and trust ourselves enough for our dreams to come true. Proverbs such as "a dream without action is just a wish or no action." No change emphasize the importance of taking action by repeatedly affirming "I am capable" and "I deserve success." We replace negative feelings from past failures and experiences with a new belief system, moving us toward our imagined goals. We should act as if we already are living our dreams, visualizing it happening now, even if it hasn't manifested yet. Future actions will follow the present plans made at this moment in time. A vision board is also a powerful visualization technique that can help make dreams and goals clearer by providing visual representations of desired outcomes on a poster board with pictures, symbols, words, affirmations, or phrases. It is important to remember that visualization techniques may fail due to a lack of confidence or trying too hard. It is essential to ask for what you desire, trust the process, and let it go without negating yourself through negative thoughts or doubt about your success. Joseph Murphy teaches us that believing we deserve what we want is key to attracting our desired outcome. Having a vision board helps keep these goals top of mind, so they are more likely to be achieved successfully over time. Visualization techniques can be used on any goal, whether it's financial success, relationship happiness, or physical health, by focusing on what you want rather than what you don't have. By leveraging the law of attraction, we can use our imagination and creativity combined with positive affirmations and self-talk as powerful tools for manifesting our desires into reality. So friends, visualization is more than just a mere technique. It's a doorway to a world of unlimited possibilities. By using affirmations, mantras, and vision boards, you can stay focused on what you truly want to achieve. Remember, belief in yourself is the key ingredient. Trust the process of manifestation, knowing that what you imagine in your mind can become your reality. As we wrap up, let's keep the teachings of Joseph Murphy close to heart. Apply his wisdom, along with the power of visualization, to unlock the magic that lies within you and make your dreams come true. If this video resonated with you and you're excited to deepen your understanding of manifestation and visualization techniques, be sure to explore our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an opportunity to learn and grow with us. Thank you for being a part of our amazing community of dreamers and doers. Together, we'll continue to explore the infinite possibilities of manifestation. Keep visualizing, keep dreaming, and keep creating your extraordinary reality. We'll see you in the next video.